Hi, Charlie. Typical Sunday afternoon.
Oh, hi guys. This is Teddy. You know what's happening? We're expecting a really big snowstorm, and I'm curious if it's coming soon. You know, I hear the birds talking about it. You know what? I'll be monitoring the situation for you, and I'll report back soon, okay? So far, it doesn't look so bad.
Hi, Teddy. What you doing? Toki, you cannot be here right now. Don't you see I'm working? Working, huh? On what? I'm working on this big project. Reporting on the snowstorm. Cool. You know what, Teddy? You don't smell so good.
What?
Maybe you should take a shower one day. Toki, look at all this snow. There's something magical about it, no? Yeah, makes me wanna dance with you, Teddy.
What?
With me? Oh, forget about it. It's official. The snow has arrived. Isn't it beautiful? I love watching the snow fall and even listening to the wind playing with it. My favorite. But before I go outside, I need to make sure I won't disappear in the snow. So let me just check the amount of snow we have. Yeah, like that. It's not bad. The streets were actually pretty clean and empty, so I considered the situation as safe, and that's why I decided to call my Uber. My driver arrived on time. She was really professional. Her name was Hannah. Hi, Hannah. And thanks for taking me sledding. Hannah! Hannah! Where are you? Oh, there you are. It was getting pretty windy and cold, so we decided to go home. And on the way we just saw some beautiful scenes, so I hope you guys enjoy it. The snowstorm is coming to an end, and so is our evening adventure. It's time to go home and warm up a little bit and prepare for the next day, because we have huge plans. We're gonna be playing in the snow like never before. So see you later.
Guys, the storm is gone, so we can finally have some fun. And some tea with honey. If only I could find the honey I left here on the balcony before the storm. I may have to do some digging. So we'll see. Maybe you can help me?
No, not here. No, not here either. Guys, this might take a little longer than I expected, so maybe I'll see you another time. Have a good day, and
Enjoy the snow. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Teddy. Thanks for watching Teddy's show. I'm sorry that I missed his big snow adventure, but I'll make sure to see you next time. So hope you can come back for another episode of Teddy and Teddy. Until then, take care and be safe. Bye.